This is Justin from the TV show Chaos and Kindness and the Las Vegas headline show Recycled Percussion. And we're excited to announce that on June 29th, Recycled Percussion will be performing 2 epic shows at the Flying Monkey in Plymouth, New Hampshire. Get the entire family together and come enjoy amazing music, comedy skits, and creative performance pieces that made us favorites on America's Got Talent, the Las Vegas Strip, and venues all over the world. Tickets will sell out, so get yours now at recycledpercussion.com. That's recycledpercussion.com. We'll see you at the show.